the bus 308 from Wanstead, East London, going towards Stratford. All the way to Stratford from Wanstead. Bus 308 passing through the Wanstead Flats, which is a very nice park and a very nice suburban area just outside central London. So if you drive straight down there, you reach Wanstead.
308 to Clapton Pond.
So we're going to go past Clapton Pond. Going towards Clapton Pond and Forest Gate. Very nice Wanstead Flats, which is a nice park in May. This is May, so a lot of dog walking here. Car park.
Wanstead Flats.
And a very nice pond here. Nice for jogging. This is the nicest part. It's actually quite close to the bus Epping Forest. So I think there is an overground station somewhere here. And this is the nice park with the pond, Clapton Pond. And it's end of school day, it's about 3 o'clock, so this is the 308 bus.